What's up guys, I'm Sean here from Quick Pitch. We're going to show you how to install Trax Table on a 78 series Land Cruiser Trophy. And
first measurement there is 310. Then from the crease there, you come down 25 mil from your crease. On this side,
yep,
measure your 25 down. Down. We'll just get a straight
so
edge.
Rob, that's 25 from the crease.
From the crease, 25 down.
Yep.
Just move straight edge. You got your 25 mark down. Put your straight edge between the two. Straight edge.
So what's next now?
5 mil drill bit.
Yep.
First hole.
So guys, Rob is using 5 mil drill bit. So into your first hole.
First rivet goes in the first hole, furthest back. Okay. Spin it round. So now that first rivet goes into the hole that you drilled. Aluminium rivet.
So guys, we're using first an aluminium rivets because we're going to drill it out later to put the ceiling.
Once you've got that, drop your drill. Where you put your line through. Middle one, line it up. Tough stuff. Aluminium rivet. Hold it back against the car. Centre that up on your hole. So it's centre. Open it up. You got that? Yep. Sit down.
Aluminium rivets again. So that's your bracket skewer with one aluminium rivet on the top and one aluminium rivet at the bottom bracket. Now you drill your hole on the other side as well.
Again, make sure you're centred up on that hole. Okay. Yep. It's off central. Once you're central, put a little dot on the car there so you can see where it is in line. Tiny little dot there. Open it up. Sweet. Get in line with your dot there. Once you're in line. Rivet. You gotta fire the shit out of that. Okay. Right.
Okay, Rob.
Once you got them all, in place, just double check it. Make sure it closes nicely. You know it does. Then just continue and drill all your holes out.
So guys, once you secure the brackets on the car with one rivet on each bracket, now you go ahead and drill all your holes. So there is 3 holes in total on each bracket.
Sorry.
Just make sure there's, because there's restraining straps, you might need someone to hold the table so it doesn't fall all the way down.
Yep. So now all the holes are drilled.
Once you've drilled all your holes,
Yep.
shove your aluminium rivets back out. Top ones first. Close it back up. Get somebody holding it for you.
Okay.
So after your holes are all drilled and clean, just got to prep the metal a little bit to prevent any rust forming. So any primer type based paint, or this one here, Galmet, is the one we prefer using.
Next step, you're going to seal it up. That's the best stuff to go with. High strength. And you just go round each hole. You don't need a lot because it will squash down quite a lot. So as long as you're sealed up around each hole. When you put it in, just line up your rivet hole and keep the top end away so you're not smearing your silicone everywhere. Go both in, just lean it towards it.
So there's your first rivet.
Open up the top. One of you holds the table. I'll push it forward. But drop the table down out the way. And then to make sure you get a good line. So we normally use the rivets when the car's already been built up inside and you can't get to the inside. In the packs that you receive you'll have nuts and bolts and body washers. So if you can get and just take the normal panel off, we'll put nuts and bolts in rather than the rivets. So now you've got your cables.
The cables, it comes in the kit.
Put one through there with your rivet and just hold it roughly in line with the middle of the holes on the back. Once you've got that, fix the bottom one.
That's your level.
Now, normally try it in around about the middle first, get your level. And you want it so that it's just on the high side at the front. So it's that one in. Normally if you count up the amount of holes that you got on one side, you'll end up with the same on the other side. But it's always best to just check it with your level. So however your level's sitting there, check it at that end. You see your bubbles the same, you're good to go.